Now that I've created the template, I need to use it. So I'm going to come back to my file here. And in this file, I have kind of my master component here. Within that, I have a couple of different groups. So this group here are 3 separate components. So if I change these, a hole into here, it doesn't affect anything else. If I add fill it here, it doesn't affect anything else. But all the green ones, or all the yellow ones, are copies of the same components. If I change one, they all change also. These here are just bodies. That one's the body under the main component, and then this one is 3 bodies under this component. So if I right click up here and create a drawing from this, go to the full assembly, and I don't just the first level, I want to do all levels. So that way it'll dig into the sub-assemblies also. I can say OK. I tell it that I want to use the assembly and component template. Say OK. Now it's going to go ahead and create my drawings for me. So you can see the first page created a drawing of the full assembly with everything that's shown there. Pulls out the title, parts list, and everything. Have this page that has those 3 components, so that's sub-assembly here. You have then just that component that was used in that one. Those 3 components, and then this sub-assembly showing these 3 parts there, and then just the last component that just had the 3 bodies in it. So I can see everything that was created in that file. It's made sheets for each of the assemblies, so components that have components within them, and then also for the final components.